Hello guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you tutorial how to enable auto sensitivity on Discord for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, as usual, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the started. First, we go to the Discord application. It means you also to install it before for the Discord. Click on the Discord. And after that, in the below here there is have a three option for you. Click on the one of them, click on for the right corner, and then let's go to slide away until you find about the voice and video. Okay, how to enable for the auto sensitivity? That is I have the auto sensitivity for your voice and videos here. You can tap until has the purple color. And let's see, your auto sensitivity is directly active for your Discord for your Android. It's very simple way to do it. I hope this video is useful for you. This is a tutorial how to enable auto sensitivity on Discord for Android. Enjoy this video and bye.